argument is this notion of picking a decider, acknowledging the fact that at the end of the day, someone's in charge and could overrule anything and derail, like shut the project down. Another key element to after the meeting is we want to share the story. And I love this sentiment around storytelling of if you don't tell the story, someone else will. And this goes hand in hand with the debrief. Because we can't tell the right story together unless we debrief and get clear on it.